Morning everyone, welcome to episode 78, and today's topic is ADHD and the rare abilities. Some people with ADHD may have special ability or superpower that include creative problem solving, hyperfocus, intuitive insight, resilience, leadership, spontaneously, and sense of humor. Other abilities of people with ADHD include good conceptual skills, good public speaking skills, energetic and enthusiastic, intense curiosity and desire to learn, and the ability to think ahead and anticipate consequences, whether it's good or bad. Debates center around whether ADHD is a mental illness, disability, or whether it is merely a neurological description of a normal condition, the cause of disorder, and the accuracy of the current prevalence rates, and the implication of the rapid increase in these rates. So, do ADHDers think faster? Executive functions have other roles which affect how someone thinks. In people with ADHD, these executive dysfunctions impact thinking in numerous ways. People with ADHD don't really think faster than people without it, but it can sometimes seem like they do because people with ADHD think differently in an integrative sense. Many people with ADHD can also have difficulty identifying and regulating their emotions, of course. If you have a problem identifying your emotions, you will not be able to recognize and identify the emotion of others. So, like I said before, pay attention to others' emotions and use your instinct. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand your own feeling and the feeling of others. Do ADHD brain works better at night? It really depends. Although there is no evidence-based research on people with ADHD having more focus at night, there are some mental health experts that believe there are several factors that contribute to a person with ADHD finding the evening and the nighttime working conditions to be an advantage. And you know why? It's because there's no distraction. Everybody is sleeping, as well as you will be able to hyper-focus much, much better. What are the 5 C's of ADHD? This is important. Self-control, compassion, collaboration, consistency, and celebration. Think about this, that I talked about it before. So, next question. Do people with ADHD see the world differently? Well, people in ADHD world experience life more intensely, more passionately than neurotypicals. They have a low threshold for outside sensory experience because of the day-to-day experience of their 5 senses, and their thoughts is always on the high volume. So, what is a superpower for ADHD? I talked about this before, so I'm going to mention it again. ADHD's power hour is a concept where individuals with ADHD set aside a specific hour or block of time to focus on tasks or activities that are particularly challenging for them due to their ADHD symptoms. Next, what is the ADHD sixth sense? Individuals with ADHD often perceive intuitively connections or flows that are not appreciated by others. They often enjoy taking a bird's eye view of things and asking the what-if questions a lot. Lastly, what are the 4 surprising benefits of ADHD? Individuals with ADHD are bright, creative, and funny. Often use self-deprecation. I call it self-defecation. And you'll understand why, because when I self-defecate, I laugh at myself, and that makes the world go around. They focus on challenges, learning novel ways to manage their symptoms, and develop a sense of humility and self-respect doing the way. Like Dr. Edward Hollowell said, people with ADHD often have a special feel for life, a way of seeing right into the heart of matters, while others have a reason their way along methodically. Thank you.